Hello all, in this video I will explain two main problems I faced in Linux recently while I am trying to interface USB TTL converter with an Ubuntu based distro. So let me explain the two problems briefly and then I will move on to the solution. So first one is when you put this or connect this USB TTL converter, which is either use FTDI chip or a CP2102 chip or either CH340 or 341 chip, you will face some error like this. It will actually disconnect itself, and it will also show one error like which is related with a program called BTRL TTY. The next problem is related with the dialog user group. So if your user is not added in the dialog group, you will face issue while opening the programs like Putty. Here I am trying to use open the Putty. Even all the USB port, the USB TTL converter is actually connected and working properly. If I try to open the terminal or serial connection, you will face some issues like unable to open, like permission denied. This is due to the fact that you are not added into the dialog group. So here we can see that they are saying, like, they are discussing about CH341. This generally happens for any USB TTL converter. So here you can see that it is actually disconnected from your TTY USB 0, and also it is mentioning about BTRL TTY. It is also trying to access or trying to claim the interface like that. So the problem is with the BTRL TTY. The thing you need to do is in this forum itself, the first solution is not that good. The second solution works fine and it is less invasive. We can say that because it's only edit the file and comment out some configuration line. I'm not going deep into the issue. The quick and easy solution is go and find a file in this particular folder, user/libby rules.d, which start with BTRL TTY, which is BTRL TTY device configuration, and try to find your device, then comment out this particular env line. That's all. Let me show you how to do that. Here I already did that. So the thing is, you need to go to the device ID followed by the number, this number, and you need to edit, comment out these two lines. Here you can see in this line itself they are mentioning about FT232 USB serial UART IC like that. So this same goes for CH320 also. You need to find it. In such cases, if you are not familiar with this, from where this number came, you can use the ls usb command. In the case of, let me show you, that's ls usb grep ft232. So you can f232, you can get this id followed by this number. That's all. So you need to search for this particular combination in this file. One more thing, the file name will be different. For example, here in the solution they are mentioning like where 90 BTRL TTY device dot rules, but in your case the file name will be different. Just ls and grep for BTRL what BRL TTY. So you will get the right file, and you can use your editor to edit this particular file. So in my case I used vim, and here you can search for the particular actually we can search for FTDI like that. That will also do the job. Then once you edited the file, comment out the particular lines, you need to restart the system. Hopefully that will resolve the issue. Once you did that, everything will be working fine. If you are facing some issue while trying to access this port using Putty or any other terminal, this is mainly due to the fact that your user is not added into the group called dialog. Quick and easy solution, you only need to use this command. Like adding the user to the dialog, then you need to log out and log in back again or reset the system. Once you do that, you can actually access the terminal application like Putty without any issue. So one more thing I find out recently, so if you need to send new line character instead of character, if I press enter, it will go to the beginning. So if I need to go one line below, I need to press Ctrl J. That's the keyboard shortcut for new line character line feed. This works in Putty in both Windows and Linux. I tested it. This is one little interesting fact I like to point out in this video. So that's it for this video. I hope this video is helpful, and I will see you in another video with another interesting topic and a solution to a problem.